Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Marathon 26.2 Trainer by C25K running app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Marathon 26.2 Trainer by C25K is a long-distance running training app designed to help users prepare for a full marathon using a structured, progressive plan. Built by the makers of the popular C25K program, it focuses on gradually increasing endurance through guided run-walk intervals, timed sessions, and motivational audio cues. It's available on both iOS and Android and integrates with music players and certain fitness trackers for a smoother training experience. The app's main feature is its week-by-week marathon program. You simply press start, follow the intervals, and the app coaches you through each workout. It also logs your pace, distance, calories burned, and training progress, helping you stay consistent throughout the 26-week journey. Users can enable voice coaching, adjust pace targets, and access motivational tips for long-distance running. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its beginner-friendly structure, simple interface, and effective pacing system, especially those new to marathon running. The gradual progression reduces overwhelm and helps prevent burnout and injury. The audio cues are clear, and the built-in run tracking makes workouts easy to follow. However, there are some drawbacks. The free version offers limited access, and full marathon plans often require a subscription. Some users report occasional GPS inconsistencies or missing advanced customization features that more experienced runners may want. Additionally, the training schedule is fixed, which might not suit runners with irregular routines. In summary, the Marathon 26.2 Trainer by C25K app may be worth using if you want a structured, beginner-friendly marathon plan with guided intervals, progress tracking, and motivational coaching. However, if you prefer fully customizable training programs or advanced analytics, it might not be the ideal choice for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.